So today I'm going to show you how I got this DIY protein and moisture hair mask. So basically, I didn't use 2 eggs, I only used 1. I took some mayo and a couple scoops of that, and I chopped up a banana, like half of a banana, and I put that in there, and I kind of beat it all together with a fork and like mashed the banana up. And you really want to mash it as much as you can because the little pieces will be like in your hair, but I should have put it in the blender. I was just too lazy. And then I'm going to take my 2 oils, my black castor oil and my tea tree oil, and put that in there for shine and moisture. And I'm going to take my favorite conditioner, deep conditioner, I'm going to add that into there, and I'm just going to mix it all together. And then after I mixed that stuff in, this is what it looks like. It's pretty smooth. There's just a couple like chunks of banana. I just didn't feel like, I didn't really mind it. So then this is my hair. It has nothing in it but some moisturizer that it's like 3-day-old hair. And I just combed it out and applied it with the spoon. And I'm pretty heavy-handed when I apply my hair products. And I just dyed my hair recently. You can check the link for that video. Made my hair a little dry, so I just wanted to give it a little extra something. And from winter and colder, and I just want to give my hair some love. But yeah, I just applied it. I think it goes best when you finger detangle. This gave me a lot of slip, and it made my hair really easy to comb through and brush through. So I'm just gonna add that to this section so you can see it, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of my hair.